Hi everyone and welcome to the Panic Drop channel. Today I want to discuss some charts from the broader market, go over some stocks on my watch list and also discuss crypto because Bitcoin has been going nuts this week. So let's start with the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is up 1.4% on the week and it got rejected by the 20 weekly moving average and also the 50 weekly moving average as well. Now, it's still a higher low compared to the low in December here. So the weekly trend could continue up, but there is a risk that there will be forming a lower high on the weekly chart. It's positive to see that the S&P 500 has bounced off this trend line, which acted as resistance in the last year. We do have some fundamental events this week that could cause a lot of volatility. On Wednesday, we have the FOMC announcing the federal funds rate. On Thursday, we have unemployment claims. And on Friday, flash manufacturing PMI. So these are events that could either break or bounce the S&P 500. Now let's take a look at the Nasdaq because it has outperformed the S&P 500 and closed 5.8% on the week. And we can see that it bounced off the 20 weekly moving average, which acted as resistance in the past. With a weekly higher low forming, it's more probable that the Nasdaq will make a higher high on the weekly chart. The Dow Jones, on the other hand, had a flat week with only up 0.15%, and we can see that it's testing the long-term trend line which acted as support in the past as well. This is because the Dow Jones includes banks and other financial stocks. And this is the sector that got hit the most by the recent news. So with banks crashing, I do have two stocks on my watch list. One of them is Bank of America. And you can see it has been going down a lot in the recent weeks. My third buy level is a horizontal trend line connected many price points, as you can see here, here, and also here. And it's the same for the fourth buy level here, here, and also here. So if the price comes down to my third or fourth buy level, I will start buying Bank of America. The second stock on my watch list is JP Morgan. And just like Bank of America, I only want to add JP Morgan at my third or fourth buy level, which is also connected with these horizontal points here and here. Let's take a look at the dollar because it's getting rejected at the 20 weekly moving average. So I'm expecting to continue down, but it could be forming a higher low here and bounce again. Or the bulls for stocks want to see the dollar go down and make a new lower low. Now let's talk about the beast in the room, Bitcoin. And the week hasn't closed yet, but right now it's up 24% on the week. And we can also see it bounced off this 20 weekly moving average. And this moving average has acted as resistance or as support in the past. Bitcoin has now confirmed the weekly uptrend because it made a weekly higher low and a weekly higher high. So I'm expecting at least a retracement, hopefully a higher low, to bounce off again. But like I said in previous videos, I do think Bitcoin is in an accumulation phase. So I expect Bitcoin to fall to the lower 20s again and wreck the bulls. But right now it does feel like this move could go on because FOMO is starting to kick in. I know a lot of traders are watching the 28,000-29,000 level, so let's see if Bitcoin can get there. The Bitcoin dominance is up 7% on the week, and we can see weekly higher lows still forming and also weekly higher highs. All right, so that's a clear uptrend. and it's now getting closer to an upper horizontal trend line. The Bitcoin dominance going up simply means that it has been outperforming many altcoins. Since we are in an accumulation phase, I expect Bitcoin to eventually break this level and trend higher. Meaning Bitcoin would be sucking most altcoins dry. But that's maybe what I just would like to see because I'm Bitcoin heavy in the portfolio. And a final chart I would like to show you is the ETH BTC pair because it's getting some cracks after breaking below this trend line. Now, we do have the Shanghai hard fork in April, so this could bring some hype back for Ethereum and make it crawl back above this level. I still have 2.5% Ethereum in the portfolio as a hedge, but I will probably add more during the year if the Ethereum Bitcoin pair drops more or if we are near the end of the year, because Q4 is usually the best time to buy Ethereum. So these are the charts I wanted to discuss with you. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this content. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.